Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have b times of square root of b is equals to 27, and we solve this problem for all the values of b. So here first we solve this problem for all the values of b, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. And now we move towards the solution of this problem. So here the very first thing we are going to do is first we need squaring on both of the sides. So when we apply squaring, this will be written as b times of square root of b is equals to 27 and its whole square. And further in the next step we need more simplifications here. And now first we apply this square separately on both of these two values, and we write it as b square times square root of b and its whole square, and this is equals to 27 square, and we know that 27 be the cube of 3. We write it as 3 cubed. It is equals to 27 and its whole square. And now further in the next step, here we need more simplifications, and you see that these two and this square root are cancelled out by each other, and we get b square times b is equals to, here we interchange both of these two exponents, and this will be written as 3 square and its whole cubed. Okay, so now here when we multiply this b square with b, we get b cubed is equals to, here you know that 3 square becomes 9 and its whole cubed. And now you see that after this little bit simplification, we convert our given equation into the cubic form, and now we move the term 9 cubed to the left hand side, and it will becomes minus 9 cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now further in the next step we need more simplifications here, and we use the nice cubic formula. You know about that. If we have x cubed minus y cubed equals to x minus y times of x square plus xy plus y square. So according to this cubic formula, we expand the left hand side of the above equation as in this form. So this will becomes here b cubed minus 9 cubed becomes b minus 9 times of this is b square plus b times of 9 plus 9 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write b minus 9 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write b square plus 9b plus 9 square becomes 81, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So from this case we easily get the first root of the given equation is b is equals to 9, and now in order to find the other roots we need to solve this quadratic equation. So in order to solve this quadratic equation, we just apply the quadratic formula here, and for this first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are capital A is equals to 1, capital B is equals to 9, capital C is equals to 81. And we state the quadratic formula as b is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is the our quadratic formula, and here we substitute all the values of a, b and c, and this will be written as b is equals to, this is minus b, the value of b is minus 9 plus minus square root of b square, b is 9 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 81, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. And now in the next step we need more simplifications, and this will be written as minus 9 plus minus square root of 9 square becomes 81 minus this is 4 times of 81, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And now further in the next step we need more simplifications here, and we just focus inside the square root sign, and here you see that 81 be the common value, so that we take common 81 inside the square root sign and we get the remaining values are 1 minus 4, and it is divided by 2. So further in the next step, here we have this is minus 9 plus minus, here we apply the square root separately on both of these two values, and we get square root of 81 into square root of 1 minus 4 becomes minus 3, and it is divided by 2. So further we simplify this quadratic equation, and we get here the other values of b. So we have b is equals to minus 9 plus minus, here we know that square root of 81 is equals to 9 into this is square root of minus 3, and here we again separate this square root sign on negative term and 3, and this will be written as square root of 3 into square root of minus 1, and it is divided by 2. So finally we have b is equals to minus 9 plus minus 9 times of square root of 3, and we know that square root of minus 1 is equals to iota, and it is divided by 2. So finally we have there are three roots of the given equation, in which the first root is b1 equals to 9, second root is b2 is equals to minus 9 plus 9 times of square root of 3 iota, and it is divided by 2, and the third root b3 is minus 9 times of square root of 3 iota, and it is divided by 2. These are the three roots of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.